Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Cyprian. So this is part 4 of this GRC component we've been talking about. And in this particular topic, in the last 3 topics, I've talked about the governance, the risk, and the compliance. So in this particular video, I'll be explaining integration of GRC components. So what does that mean? With this governance, risk, and compliance, how does organizations implement them? So to make this GRC more effective and all of that, there is that, what's it called now? Those components has to be integrated into a cohesive framework. That is the governance, the risk, and the compliance part of this GRC. They have to be properly integrated. And this integration allows organizations to do what? To what? Streamline their processes. This integration will allow organizations to improve their decision making. This integration will allow organizations to enhance accountability. And this integration will also ensure that organizations are consistent. So there is always that need, that is always good to integrate your GRC process. And how does organizations integrate GRC process? They use tools. There are technologies and tools out there. We call them GRC technology and tools. So these are the things that organization uses to integrate their GRC. An example of those tools are 1, RSA Archer, 2, ServiceNow, 3, Exata. So these are just few of the GRC technology out there. Now, when it comes to governments, government organizations like U.S. government agencies, they use EMAS to integrate their GRC aspects. They use CSAM to also integrate their GRC aspect. So these are also examples. However, for you to be effective in this governance, risk, and compliance, you need to get yourself familiarized with these GRC tools. The RSA Archer, ServiceNow, Exata, CSAM, EMAS. You need to get yourself familiarized with them. Some of these GRC tools, you might not be able to find them, on YouTube to learn more about them. Just be able to speak to them, how they are being used. I have a video on my YouTube channel where you can go and learn some of those GRC tools, how they are used. You can find the detailed example of their effectiveness. And also, another beautiful thing about it is any organizations that hires you, no matter your level of knowledge you bring in from your previous employments, getting to them, they will equally train you on the GRC tools that they have in that environment. They will train you. They will give you like a web-based training or like instructor-led training or recorded video for you to watch, to know how to navigate through those tools. And another beautiful thing about it is that once you get yourself, you navigate, play with the tools. Once you are hired, you play with the tools at least 1 or 2 weeks, you will be able to navigate through it. You know where, which components to click, where to go to find information. So every GRC, process has to be effectively integrated. And the tools we use for the integration is the RSA Archer, ServiceNow, Exata, and then for government, they use the CSAM, they use EMAS, and all of that. So I hope these videos that I've done so far helps you to have an idea of this governance, risk, and compliance part of cybersecurity. And it does not matter, it doesn't matter. Every organization employs GRC, experts, both government and commercial organizations. So GRC is the non-technical part of cybersecurity. It's not too technical that anyone, even if you don't have an IT background, you can navigate yourself into it. If you get a good instructor, align yourself with what is needed, you can navigate yourself into it and you can understand it. I hope this video makes sense. And if it does, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.